Welcome to Quiz with Jenny. Today's quiz is all about 30 of the world's greatest inventions and the brilliant minds behind them. From the light bulb to the smartphone, these inventions have shaped our world in incredible ways. Do you think you can match each invention to its inventor? Let's dive in and see how many you know. Who is credited with the invention of the telephone? Nikola Tesla, Alexander Graham Bell, Samuel Morse. Alexander Graham Bell. While experimenting with hearing devices for the deaf, Alexander Graham Bell accidentally discovered that sound could be transmitted over a wire. His assistant, Thomas Watson, was the first to hear the famous words, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you," marking the birth of the telephone. What material did Thomas Edison use for the filament in his long-lasting light bulb? Tungsten, platinum, carbonized bamboo. Carbonized bamboo. Thomas Edison wasn't the first to invent a light bulb, but he was the first to create one that was practical and long-lasting. He tested thousands of materials for the filament, finally settling on carbonized bamboo, which could burn for over 1,200 hours. Who invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg, Isaac Newton, Leonardo da Vinci. Johannes Gutenberg. Introduced in 1440, Johannes Gutenberg's invention was inspired by his background as a goldsmith. He adapted the screw press, used in winemaking, to create a movable type press, which allowed for the mass production of books, forever changing the spread of information. Where did the Wright brothers achieve their first successful flight? Paris, France. Kitty Hawk, USA. London, England. Kitty Hawk, USA. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, originally bicycle makers, used their mechanical skills to build a lightweight engine and design a plane with 3-axis control. Their successful flight at Kitty Hawk in 1903 was the result of years of careful experimentation and observation of birds in flight. Who invented the World Wide Web? Steve Jobs, Tim Berners-Lee, Bill Gates. Tim Berners-Lee. Working at CERN, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, envisioned a system where researchers could easily share and access information. His creation of the World Wide Web, in 1989, was born from frustration with the inefficiency of existing communication methods. His creation allowed information to be shared easily across the globe, transforming communication, commerce, and society. Which mold led to the discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming? Aspergillus niger, Penicillium notatum, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Penicillium notatum. Alexander Fleming's discovery of penicillin in 1928 was a happy accident. He noticed that a mold, Penicillium notatum, had contaminated one of his petri dishes and killed the surrounding bacteria. This observation led to the development of the world's first antibiotic, saving countless lives by effectively treating bacterial infections. This breakthrough marked the beginning of modern antibiotics. Who improved the steam engine, fueling the Industrial Revolution? James Watt, George Stephenson, Eli Whitney. James Watt. In the late 18th century, While repairing a Newcomen steam engine, James Watt realized it was inefficient and developed a separate condenser, vastly improving its performance. His invention powered factories, ships, and locomotives, fueling the Industrial Revolution. Who is credited with inventing the electronic television? John Logie Baird, Philo Farnsworth, Nikola Tesla. Philo Farnsworth. Philo Farnsworth was an American inventor who developed the first fully functional all-electronic image pickup device, video camera tube, and the first fully functional and complete all-electronic television system, which he demonstrated in 1927. Farnsworth conceived the idea of television while plowing a field as a teenager, imagining a way to capture moving images in a manner similar to the straight lines he was creating in the soil. His electronic scanning principle became the foundation of modern television. Which of the following invented the first practical automobile? Henry Ford, Carl Benz, Gottlieb Daimler. Carl Benz. In 1886, Carl Benz invented the first practical automobile, powered by an internal combustion engine. His three-wheeled vehicle laid the groundwork for the modern car industry. Benz's wife, Bertha, played a crucial role in the success of his invention. In 1888, she took the first long-distance car trip, covering 66 miles, without Benz's knowledge. Her journey demonstrated the practicality of the automobile, leading to its commercial success. Percy Spencer is best known for inventing which of the following? Microwave oven, toaster, electric stove. Microwave oven. Percy Spencer, an American engineer, discovered microwave cooking accidentally in 1945 when a candy bar in his pocket melted while he was working with radar technology. Realizing the potential for cooking, he developed the first microwave oven, initially marketed as the Radarange, now a staple in kitchens worldwide. Louis Daguerre is known for pioneering which technology? Telegraph, photography, cinematography. Photography. A French artist and physicist, Louis Daguerre, developed the daguerreotype process in 1839, the first practical method of photography, a process that used silver-coated copper plates to produce sharp, detailed photographs, making him a pioneer of photography, which allowed images to be captured and preserved. Which invention is Guglielmo Marconi famous for? Radio, television, telephone. Radio. Guglielmo Marconi, an Italian inventor, is credited with inventing the radio in the late 19th century. His work in wireless telegraphy allowed for the first transatlantic radio signal in 1901, revolutionizing global communication. Marconi's invention of the radio was inspired by the work of Heinrich Hertz, who proved the existence of electromagnetic waves. Marconi built on this idea to create a device that could transmit signals across long distances, initially used for ship-to-shore communication. What material did Theodore Maiman use to create the first laser? Ruby, sapphire, diamond. Ruby. Theodore Maiman built the first working laser in 1960, a device that emits light through a process of optical amplification. Maiman's work on the laser was driven by competition with other scientists. He used a synthetic ruby to create the first successful laser, producing a burst of coherent light. Despite skepticism from his peers, Maimmon's invention quickly found applications in industry, medicine, and technology. Who made the first handheld mobile phone call? Steve Wozniak, Martin Cooper, Steve Jobs. Martin Cooper, often credited with inventing the mobile phone, Martin Cooper, a Motorola engineer, made the first handheld mobile phone call in 1973 while standing on a New York City street. He called his rival at Bell Labs to announce the success. The smartphone, which evolved from this technology, integrates computing and mobile communication, transforming how we interact with the world. Who invented the refrigeration system? Carl von Linde, John Gorrie, James Harrison. Carl von Linde, a German engineer, Carl von Linde, developed the first practical and safe refrigerating system in 1876. Linde developed refrigeration technology to improve beer production. His refrigeration system, which used ammonia as a coolant, was later adapted for food preservation by slowing bacterial growth, leading to the widespread use of refrigerators in homes and industries. Who discovered X-rays? Marie Curie, Wilhelm Röntgen, Antoine Lavoisier. Wilhelm Röntgen. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen, a German physicist, discovered X-rays accidentally while experimenting with cathode rays. He noticed that a fluorescent screen in his lab glowed when exposed to the rays, even though it was not in direct line of sight. His discovery allowed doctors to see inside the human body without surgery, which revolutionized medical diagnostics. Which explosive material did Alfred Nobel invent? Gunpowder, TNT, dynamite. Dynamite. Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist, invented dynamite in 1867, a safer alternative to nitroglycerin for blasting rock and constructing tunnels. His invention made construction and mining much safer and more efficient. Nobel's invention, though controversial, was a major advancement in engineering. Nobel later used his fortune to establish the Nobel Prizes. Who is credited with inventing air conditioning? Willis Carrier, Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison. Willis Carrier. Willis Carrier invented modern air conditioning in 1902 to solve a printing problem. High humidity in the printing plant caused paper to warp, so Carrier developed a system to control temperature and humidity, which also made indoor environments much more comfortable. His invention improved comfort in homes, offices, and industries worldwide. Elias Howe is known for inventing which device? Typewriter, sewing machine, printing press. Sewing machine. Elias Howe, an American inventor, patented the first practical sewing machine in 1846. Howe's invention of the sewing machine came after years of financial struggle and legal battles. His machine, which used a lock stitch, revolutionized the textile industry by significantly speeding up the process of sewing clothes. Who invented the first successful jet engine? Frank Whittle, Orville Wright, Howard Hughes. Frank Whittle. Frank Whittle, a British Royal Air Force officer and engineer, is credited with inventing the turbojet engine in the 1930s. Whittle conceived the idea for a jet engine while still a student. Despite skepticism from the aviation industry, he patented his design in 1930. His persistence led to the development of the first operational jet aircraft during World War II. His innovation revolutionized aviation by enabling aircraft to fly faster and higher than ever before, paving the way for modern air travel. What inspired George de Mestral to invent Velcro? Burdock burrs, spider webs, sticky tape. Burdock burrs. Swiss engineer George de Mestral invented Velcro in 1941. Velcro was inspired by nature. After a walk in the woods, de Mestral noticed that burrs stuck to his clothes and his dog's fur. Examining them under a microscope, he saw that tiny hooks were catching onto loops in the fabric. He replicated this design to create Velcro, a revolutionary fastener, which became widely used in clothing, footwear, and even in space exploration. James Watson and Francis Crick are known for discovering the structure of what? RNA, DNA, protein. DNA structure. In 1953, American biologist James Watson and British physicist Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA. The discovery of the double helix structure of DNA was built on the work of many scientists, including Rosalind Franklin, whose X-ray diffraction images were crucial. This breakthrough provided a molecular explanation for heredity, unlocked the secrets of genetic information, and laid the foundation for modern genetics and biotechnology. Who invented the windshield wiper? Mary Anderson, Josephine Cochrane, Florence Papat. Mary Anderson. American inventor Mary Anderson patented the first effective windshield wiper in 1903. Anderson came up with the idea for windshield wipers during a trip to New York City. She noticed that drivers had to open their windows to clear snow and rain from their windshields. Her device greatly improved driving safety by allowing drivers to clear rain, snow, and debris from their windshields without leaving their cars, though it wasn't widely adopted until after her patent expired. Igor Sikorsky is credited with inventing which of the following? Airplane, helicopter, jet engine. Helicopter. Russian-American aviation pioneer Igor Sikorsky developed the first successful single-rotor helicopter in 1939. Sikorsky's passion for flight led him to pursue the dream of vertical takeoff. After years of development, he achieved success in 1939 with the VS-300, a helicopter that could hover and fly in any direction, revolutionizing aviation. His designs became the foundation for modern helicopters, which are widely used in transportation, rescue operations, and military missions. Who developed CCTV technology during World War II? John Logie Baird, Walter Brush, Philo Farnsworth. Walter Brush. German engineer Walter Brush is credited with developing closed-circuit television (CCTV) in 1942. Brush developed CCTV technology during World War II for observing rocket launches. After the war, the technology found civilian uses, becoming a vital tool for security and surveillance in public and private spaces. Which technology was developed by Ivan Getting and Bradford Parkinson? Satellite communication, GPS, weather radar. GPS. Ivan Getting and Bradford Parkinson were instrumental in developing the Global Positioning System (GPS) in the 1970s. Getting and Parkinson's development of GPS was originally for military purposes to improve navigation for missiles and aircraft. The system's accuracy and reliability led to its adoption for civilian use, becoming essential for navigation, mapping, and timing in various industries, from aviation to smartphones. Which fastener was invented by Whitcomb Judson? Zipper, button, Velcro. Zipper. American inventor Whitcomb Judson patented the zipper in 1893 as a clasp locker for boots. Although his early design was improved by Gideon Sundback, made the zipper practical and widely adopted, becoming a staple in clothing and accessories. Judson's concept laid the foundation for the widely used fastener we know today. Who accidentally discovered polyethylene plastic? Hans von Pechmann, Leo Baekeland, John Wesley Hyatt. Hans von Pechmann. German chemist Hans von Pechmann accidentally discovered polyethylene in 1898. Pechmann's accidental discovery of polyethylene occurred while he was trying to synthesize a different compound. The material, initially a white waxy substance, turned out to be incredibly versatile, leading to the development of plastic, which transformed manufacturing and consumer goods. Now widely used in everything, from packaging to piping, due to its durability and flexibility. Who invented the fax machine? Alexander Bain, Thomas Edison, Samuel Morse. Alexander Bain. Scottish inventor Alexander Bain created the first fax machine in 1843, which could transmit images over telegraph lines. Bain's invention of the fax machine came from his desire to improve communication over long distances. Using his knowledge of telegraphy, he developed a machine that could scan and transmit images, laying the groundwork for modern fax machines, used for decades in business and communication. Who invented the electric washing machine? Alva J. Fisher, James Dyson, Samuel Morey. Alva J. Fisher. Alva J. Fisher, an American engineer, is credited with inventing the first electric washing machine in 1908. Fisher's invention of the electric washing machine was driven by the need to reduce the labor-intensive process of washing clothes by hand. His design automated the process, revolutionizing household chores and making laundry easier, less labor-intensive and faster. Great job, inventors in the making! How many of these inventions and their inventors did you get right? Whether you are a history buff or just curious about how things work, we hope you enjoyed today's quiz. Be sure to share your score in the comments and let us know which invention surprised you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Quiz with Jenny and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest quizzes. We've got plenty more fun and informative content on the way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next quiz.